A 5-month-old baby is now safe after being buried alive in Montana. Police posted this photo on social media showing the baby's dirty hand after searchers found it in the woods. They searched for the infant for 6 hours when a deputy finally heard the child's faint cry. The baby was face down, buried under a pile of sticks and debris in a dirty onesie in 40-degree weather. Police believe the baby was left there by this man, Francis Crowley, who's facing charges of criminal endangerment. The department wrote on Facebook, "For all of us at the sheriff's office, this is what we call a miracle. For those of us with children, it hits especially hard to know that this small baby endured so much in the last 24 hours. Now, we're told the baby is in good condition at the hospital. Right now, police have not revealed Crowley's relationship to the child.